Hi, in this video I will show you how to build an API server using Langchain and FastAPI to query a SQL Server database, and finally we build a web front-end using a Streamlit. First I'm going to run the code and show the demo how it works, then take a brief look at the code. This is my VS Code, and I'm going to run at the specific file server api.py. So UECon running on http://127.0.0.1 and on the port 8005. It is running on the local host, and then I'm trying to control click it, and then here it says not found, but I'm going to type here doc s and then hit enter, and then you have the different methods, get method, post method. I'm going to go, you can run it and then check what is going on, but I'm going to go to the specific one, this one, chain / invoke. I click here, and then I'm going to try it out. I'm coming to the request body here and replacing the string with this. How many servers are there, and give me all the details including the OS, and then execute. So basically it is querying my SQL Server. Okay, it has given all this information. There are 11 servers, and these are the details. So basically this is the request URL. So I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to go to my my ISC PowerShell, and I'm going to replace with this one. I already replaced this one, and then I'm typing the exact same thing here. How many servers are there? Or you can give whatever information you needed from the SQL Server. And I'm going to run this one, highlight, and run this one. So it is pulling all this information from my SQL Server. My SQL Server is, I'm going to show you. Okay, this is my SQL Server. On my SQL Server I have two tables, tbl_inv and tbl_os. Okay, basically this is what we are querying from these two tables using the API server. Let us go to the VS Code. The VS Code is on a different machine, and then I'm going to click here client api.py. We use the Streamlit to build a simple interface. User can type in questions like show me how many servers are there, and the app send the queries to the FastAPI server and get the appropriate answer. So we're going to run this one. Client API. Okay, hit enter. This is the front end. So how many servers are there, and give me all the details including OS. There are 11 servers. Here are the details. So this is the front end using the Streamlit app. Now let us go to the code, and this is my server api.py code, and here we use Langchain to create a SQL agent that connects to our database, SQL Server database. The agent understands the questions and generate SQL queries dynamically. It is powered by a model Gamma 3-9b from ChatGrok. Okay, you can see here I'm using the Grok API key. I got it for free, and I show you how to get this one. I logged into the Grok here, the website, and then you can click here and then go to developers and then free API key. Okay, once you click the free API key, you will come here you can create your own API key. And here you can see here the SQL, the host name of the SQL server. Okay, the username is the SA and the password is this much. And if you see my previous video, the code is similar, the same thing. I copied and pasted here. These two things are new. Okay, that's about it. Here I forgot to tell you one thing. And before you run this one, these are the required libraries necessary in order to run this code. Okay, I already installed it, and let us go to the client API.py. Okay, this is nothing but for the Streamlit to build a simple user interface. The user can type any questions like how many servers are there, and then the app send the queries to the FastAPI server and then get the appropriate answer. That's about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and you have a great day. The code is in the my GitHub, and then I'll share the link so that you can copy the code. Thank you. I'm going to go run right from the scratch. So I'm going to delete this, and then I'm going to delete this one too. And I'm coming here, the server API.py, and I'm going to open a new terminal and then run it. I'm pressing Control and then clicking here. And then go to docs. And I'm going to the post method, the invoke, and click here. Okay, on the request body, I'm going to type here. No, we have to try it out. Okay, here, and I have to type how many servers are there. You can, ask any questions respective of the SQL Server or database and table. Okay, execute. Okay, there are 11 servers. I'm copying the request URL and I'm going to the PowerShell ISC. That the same URL is this one. Okay, and this body one I got it from here. From the request body I got it from here and pasted here and changed appropriately. I put the equal sign, that's all. And then how many servers are there, and give me all the details including the OS, and then you can highlight, you can run, and the SQL Server, sorry, not SQL Server, run an ISC. And basically what it does is it's going to go and query my API server, and then it queries back the SQL Server. Okay, finally, and we go to the client API.py, and we are going to run this one. I'm going to open up a new terminal and then type Streamlit run client API.py. So basically it's going to open the Streamlit web app, and you can query the SQL Server using the API server. How many there are 11 servers. That's about it. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.